come on here, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Friday. I'm off work. It's the weekend. I come on here, y'all. I need some help. Whew, Lord, I'm trying. I went in the store to get me some catfish, and I'm not going to fry it, y'all. I'm not going to fry it in grease. I'm going to fry it in olive oil. I got a recipe already. But the reason why I come on here is my son liked me to pick him up Raisin Cane on Friday because I don't cook. And Lord, after I smelled that Raisin Cane and them old good French fries and that buttery Texas toast, I wanted so bad to drive all back around there and place me an order. Oh my God. Oh God. I'm just praying for willpower and the ability to do better. A fat girl can't be fat going out of 2023. All right, y'all. Help me. Bye.
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer. No time to be sober. Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on